Tell me the name, your name
Raju
first.
Baba.
Gaji Baba?
Raju Baba.
Okay, what is your job?
Job?
Yeah, your job.
I already job is like India. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Ram Ram Hari Om Jai Mata Ki.
Okay. And
Promise smoke.
can you tell something about your daily activity? What do you do every day?
What is every day like? I smoke grass.
You smoke grass?
Yeah.
You like to smoke grass?
Meditation very good.
Very good. Why?
Yeah, happy like not good. Sex.
Sex
no,
not good.
Like. No like.
Okay.
Only meditation.
Okay.
God meditation.
It's like meditation.
Yeah, only God.
Only God. You see God.
You see, and like Shiva.
You see Shiva.
Shiva. Kali.
Ah.
Ganeshaya Namo.
Okay.
Ram Ram. Siya Ram.
But how much do you have to smoke to see it?
Me?
Yeah, how much?
Me smoke and 32 years.
32 years.
Yeah. 8 years I smoke.
8 years.
Yeah.
And you want to smoke all your life?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. And tell me something about God. What is God?
God.
God. What is God?
Nirankar.
Nanankar.
Niranka.
Naranka is God.
Only God firing.
Ah, okay.
Firing. And me here and firing Durga.
Ah, you make Durga.
Sunday.
Yes.
And music here.
Okay.
And night time already 6 o'clock. Morning
Okay.
time finish.
What is your age?
My age?
Yes.
35.
35?
Yeah.
Oh, very young.
Yeah.
Very young. Wow.
Young.
Well, do you also do yoga asanas?
You
No.
man, how age?
What you think? How old am I? How old? What is my age? What you think? Yes.
You age? 55.
Exactly. How do you know? Yeah, it's exact. Yes. Very good.
Every day.
Yes,
I
good.
looking my mommy, papa,
Yes.
my home,
Yes.
my Bindravan.
Okay. Okay.
Not like India. Only many people. Small, little, yes. Not like.
You are sadhu? Are you sadhu?
Pakkad Baba. Pakkad Baba.
Ah, okay.
Not like Guru, no
Not-
teacher,
Yeah.
no mommy, papa. Only me, one alone.
Okay.
Every day he is sleeping.
Okay.
And every day, and 10 Baba.
Sleeping here.
Eating.
Okay.
Khana.
And eating what?
Dal chapati.
Dal chapati.
Yeah.
Okay.
Night time. Morning time tea.
Okay.
100 Baba.
Good. 100 babas.
100 Baba eating. Chai.
Okay.
Chai tea.
Good. Thank you very much.
You help me.
Yeah, I help you. I give you bakshish.